Divide the sum of 12 upon 5 and 13 upon 7 by the product of minus 4 upon 7 and minus 1 upon 2. Here there are two parts. First is this 12 upon 5 plus 13 upon 7. Do this part. Divided by multiplication of this minus 4 upon 7 into minus 1 upon 2. So first solve this. 7, 5. Always go for LCM. So 7 5 is 35. 12 7 is 84 plus 65. Okay. Upon 35. Okay. Done. Divide sign as it is. Now this minus into minus. There is a multiplication sign. So into minus. This becomes plus. Okay. So 4 1 is 4 and 7 2 is 14. But 2 1 and 2 2 is. So it becomes 2 upon 7. So 2 upon 7. Now divide will convert to multiply, and this 7 will go up, 2 will come down. So this total becomes 149 upon 35 into 7 upon 2. 1s are 2s are. Then 1s are 7 1s are 7 5s are. 5 2s are 10. 149 upon 10. Now if the answer is given as this much only, keep it as it is. If it is given in mixed fraction, then 10 into 14 140 plus 9. So this or this.